Today, we're going to focus on the income tab within MyCase Accounting. So to get there, I selected the accounting area within MyCase, and then this submenu pops up, and we already have reviewed dashboard and banking. So now we're on the income tab. So when we click on income, this is going to give you a summary and an overview of bills that you have issued through MyCase. So you'll notice in here that we've got some fields of information. So invoice date, the type of invoice it was, invoice number, the contact person, the case that it was issued for, due date, the current status, so the status as of right now, the total amount, how much has been paid, how much is still due, and then you can always click, there's a hyperlink here at the far right that will give you details. When you click on details, the box is going to pop up and it's going to give you the journal entry. And then if any payment was made, it's going to give you that information as well. Now, the beauty of this, so if you'll notice that, this is right now there's 5 rows per page, and you can change that. That always is an available option at the bottom of the screen. You can always, of course, I just changed that to 100, but this is 100 rows, and now there's 2 pages. So there's about 200 or up to 200 invoices in this file right now. And the thing that might seem a little overwhelming, but you can change the date range. So you can come in here and you can say for the last 90 days, what has been, and apply filters. Just make sure that whenever you make a selection here, you apply the filters. If you make a change, that's when the apply filters button turns green. So if I change this to invoices from the last 90 days, now that just filtered it down, and what is there? 5 invoices on this screen. Or I could have done for all time, but maybe I only want to see it for one case. So I apply the filter, and now there's only been 1 invoice issued on this case. So you can see it. So, and then can, appreciate that you can use these filters in tandem. So you can select a time period, you can select it by a case, and then you can also select it by status. So if we went all time, and if I cleared out, so here I had a case in, if you have a case in here and you want to clear it out, just click the little X, and now that clears out that filter. And then if I say, oh, I only want to see what's overdue, and then click that filter, now the list pops up of all the invoices that are overdue. Okay. And it's this status is based on this status here. So you can go through here and easily see different aspects of bills, whether you want to see it by date range, by a court case, or by the status of the payment, whether the invoice has been paid, unsent, and you've got a couple different statuses in here that you can select from. And then if you said, whoops, I did too much on the filters, then you can always clear the filters by clicking the little hyperlink here. It clears all your filters out, and you can start over again. So that's what the overview of the income summary tab is in MyCase Accounting. If you have any questions, please let me know.